We are doing question 6C now. Refer to the cumulative frequency curve below that represents the results of 80 pupils that wrote a test out of 60 marks. What percentage of pupils got more than 60% for the test? So now we need to get the actual mark because this test was out of 60. So a child who got 60% got what mark out of what? Out of 36. We need to get that. So we have to find 60% of what? 60% of 60. Okay. And then which is 36. So it means a child or a learner that got 60% actually got 36 out of 60. Okay. Right now, we want the percentage of people that got more than 60%. So it means we want learners who got above 36. Okay, above 36. Okay, so how many learners got above 36? So we go from 36, we interpolate, and then we find that we have here 59. What is the meaning of this? So it means 59 learners got below 36. But now one learner that got above 36. So what do? We have to get the difference here between 80 and 59. Okay, 80 and 59. That's the number of learners that got above 60% or above 36 out of 60. Right, what is 80 minus 59? 80 minus 59, which is equal to 21 pupils. So it means 21 learners got above 36 out of 60 or got above 60%. Now the question says, what percentage of pupils got more than 60%? So what is this as a percentage of the total number of learners? So you're saying 21 out of 80 because there are 80 learners in total. And then we're converting this fraction to a percentage multiplied by 100. And then we get 26.5%. Okay, so that's what you're supposed to do for this question. Thank you very much. We'll meet when we do question 7.